Moving forward toward the seventh question, let's take a new page. Okay. In the seventh question, again, it is of the verify the following type. So we can do it very easily. See here. Verify the following. Verify the following. First question, 3 upon 7 multiplied under bracket 5 upon 6 sorry 5 upon 6 plus 12 upon 13 is equal to 3 upon 7 multiply 5 upon 6 under bracket plus under bracket 3 upon 7 multiply 12 upon 13. This we have to verify that the value comes from this expression is equal to the value comes from this expression. This all have, this is what we have to do here. So in order to do that, in order to verify that whether the value of left hand side is equal to right hand side, we have to first evaluate the left hand side. You already know these things. This kind of question we have done many question in the previous exercises as well. So let's take the left hand side. Left hand side, 3 upon 7 multiply under bracket 5 upon 6 plus 12 upon 13. Okay. Now see here, 3 upon 7 multiply. Now 6 and 13. 6 and 13, what it will become? It will become 78. 78 is actually LCM of 6 and 13. If you have any problem, I just show you how this 78 come. So we are just taking the normal LCM. First we will divide by 2. So this will get divided by 3 times and this will not get divided. So we write as it is 13. Now we divide with 3. Now 3 divided with 3 for 1 times, but this not get divided, so it will remain as it is. Now simply we can write LCM equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 13. So it will 6 multiply 13. So it is 78. Clear beta? Okay. Now 6 will divide 78. So quotient will be 13. So 5 multiply 13 plus 13 will divide 78. So quotient is 6. So here it will be 12 multiply 6. Okay. Now 3 multiply 7 multiply 5 multiply 13 is 65 plus 12 multiply 6 is 72 upon 78. Clear? Is it clear beta? Now the next step is 3 upon 7 multiply. Now 65 plus 72 is 137 upon 78. Clear beta? Now 3 will cut this how many times? 26 times. So now the answer is 137 and 7 multiply 26. When you will multiply it, you will get a product 182. So this is your final answer. Now this is not the final answer actually. This is the answer of the left hand side. We have evaluated the left hand side. Now we have to evaluate the right hand side and then we will compare is it equal or not. So let's go towards the right hand side. In the right hand side, what expression we have given with? We have given an expression, yes, 3 upon 7 multiply 5 upon 6 under bracket plus 3 upon 7 multiply 12 upon 13. This is the expression which is given in right hand side. So we start simplifying from this step onwards. 3 2s are 6, है ना? And in this bracket nothing will be simplified. So here 5 remains in the numerator and in the denominator 7 multiplied 2 is 14 plus here it is 36 in the numerator and in the denominator 7 multiplied 13 is 91. Okay. Now 14 and 91, we have to take the LCM of 14 and 91. It's very easy, 182 is the LCM. You can find out if you have any doubt about that the 182 is not the LCM, you can verify it also. Now for 14, when we will divide with 182, the quotient is 13. So we will multiply 5 with 30 plus when we will divide 182 by 91, the quotient comes as 2. Okay, so we will multiply 36 with 2. Clear? Now 5 multiplied 13 is 65, plus 36 multiplied 2 is 72, whole upon 182. So when we add these two numbers, we will get 137 whole upon 182. Now you can see here, left hand side is 137 upon 182, and right hand side is also 137 upon 182. So finally we can write, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified, hence verified. Okay, so this was the end of the first question. Likewise, we have to solve the second question and the third question and also the fourth question. We have 4 questions in this particular question. So let's solve the second question as well. In the second question, minus 15 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5 under bracket is equal to under bracket minus 15 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 7 under bracket plus minus 15 upon 4 multiply minus 12 upon 5. Things are clear, beta? Now let's evaluate the value of left hand side. Okay, so here minus 15 upon 4 multiplied with 3 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5. Minus 15 upon 4 will remain as it is. In this bracket we will take the LCM of 7 and 5. You already know that there is no common multiple of 7 and 5, so we will just multiply these two numbers. So LCM of 7 and 5, we don't need to write it, you can do it orally. 7 into 5 is what? 35. So the LCM is 35. When we will divide this 7 will divide 35. The quotient what we will get? 5. Now 3 will multiply with 5 plus, now this 5 when we'll divide 35 by 5, we will get quotient as 7. So minus 12 will be multiplied with 7. Is it clear? Now minus 15 by 4 as it is. Now 5 multiply 3 is 15 plus minus of 12 multiply 7 is minus 84. Done, beta? In the denominator it is 35. Okay, so moving forward, minus 15 upon 4 multiplied with, see, 15 plus minus of 84, 15 plus minus of 84, it will give me minus 69 upon 35, minus 69 upon 35. See here, now we will do some little simplification which can be done. This will we are dividing 15 and 35 by 5, so 5 3s are 15, and this will be 5 3s are, just a minute, 5 7s are 35 और यहाँ पे 5 3s are 15. ठीक है, अब नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव विल बिकम पॉजिटिव, so 3 multiply 69 upon 4 multiply 7. It is clear, beta? Now 69 multiplied with 3 is 207 whole upon में 7 multiplied 4 is 28. So the answer is, sorry, the value of left hand side is 207 upon 28. Now let's find the value of right hand side. In order to find the value of right hand side, see here, under bracket minus 15 upon 4 multiplied with 3 upon 7 plus under bracket minus 15 upon 4 multiplied with minus 12 upon 5. This is the term which is given in the right hand side, beta. So let's try to solve this as well. So there is no terms that is cancelling, है ना, यहाँ कुछ भी हम सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते डायरेक्ट. तो क्या करते हैं, जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. तो लेट्स डू दैट. Now minus 15 multiplied with 3, what it will become? Minus 45. And in the denominator 4 multiplied 7 is 28 plus minus 15 multiplied with minus 12 is 180 upon 5 multiplied 4 is 20. Things are clear, beta? Now moving forward, 28 and 20. What we have to do now is to find the LCM of 28 and 20. Very easy. The 28 and 20 का LCM क्या होगा 140. ठीक है, अब देखो 28 will divide 140. On dividing 140 we will get a quotient as 5. Now this 5 will be get multiplied with minus 45, that is in the numerator. Now 20 will divide with 140, this is very orderly. 7 will be the quotient, so 180 will multiplied with 7. Up till this step I think everything's are clear now. Now we will next what we will do is to multiply minus 45 and 5. Now minus 45 when we will multiply with 5 we will get minus 225 plus 180 multiplied with 7 will give me 1260 whole upon 140. Things are clear now. This negative, when we will add it to the positive integer, what it will give? A positive integer 1035 whole upon 140. Okay, now we will do some simplification. This will be simplified for 207 and this will be simplified for 28. So the final answer is 207 upon 28. 207 upon 28. You must be wondering from which number we have been simplified numerator and denominator. So we have simplified by 5. You can check like 28 5 ja 5 ja 40, 5 2 ja 10, 140 और 207 5 जा भी आप चेक कर सकते हो 1035 ही आएगा, है ना. 5 से हम लोग ने ऊपर नीचे कट किया है. तो आवर फाइनल आंसर इज 207 अपॉन 21. सो लेट्स चेक LHS का भी वैल्यू इतना ही आया था क्या? यस, LHS is also 207 upon 28 and RHS is also the same. So we can finally write what we can finally write, that therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified, Things are clear, beta? So let's move forward toward the third question. Every question have the same thing, but the thing which you have to consider, you have to be careful in this kind of question is that the calculation which you are doing you have to do with very much precision. मतलब थोड़ा सा भी अगर आप नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव का भी गलती करते हो तो योर होल आंसर विल बिकम रॉन्ग एंड योर होल the effort what you have given in solving that, the time you have allotted to that, all will go in vain. So be careful while doing calculation. So let's solve the third question. Third question में minus 8 upon 3 plus minus 13 upon 5 under bracket multiplied with 5 upon 6 is equal to under bracket minus 8 upon 3 multiplied with 5 upon 6 plus under bracket minus 13 upon 12 multiplied with 5 upon 6. Things are clear, beta? Now let's take the left hand side and find the value of left hand side, and then we will take the right hand side and then we will find the value of right hand side. So minus 8 upon 3 plus minus 13 upon 5 under bracket multiplied with 5 upon 6. Things are clear, beta? Now see here, there is a little correction here. It is not 5, it is 12 actually. It is 12. So we will verify again the question. If there is any other mistake also, then we will rectify that. Minus 8 upon 3 plus minus 13 upon 2 under bracket multiplied 5 upon 6 is equal to under bracket minus 8 upon 3 multiply 5 upon 6 plus under bracket minus 13 upon 12 multiply 5 upon 6. Done. Now see here. Here it is what? 12. Here it is 12. So see here. The LCM of 3 and 12 is what? 12. Now 3 will divide 12. We will get quotient as 4. So minus 8 multiply 4 plus 12 will divide 12. Quotient is 1. It will remain minus 13 multiplied with 5 upon 6. Okay. Now see here. Minus 8 into 4 is minus 32 plus minus minus 13 whole upon 12 under bracket multiply 5 upon 6. Okay. Now here minus 32 and minus 13 is minus 45 upon 12 multiply 5 upon 6. ठीक है बेटा. Now moving forward, what we will do, there is nothing to cut, so we will just directly multiply the numerator and the denominator. So minus 45 multiply 5 will be minus 225 upon 12 multiply 6 is 72. So its answer comes out to be minus 225 upon 72. This is clear to you. Now when you will solve the right hand side, you will also get minus 225 upon 72 in order to verify this question. So let's see what's the value of right hand side. So minus 8 upon 3 multiply 5 upon 6 plus under bracket minus 13 upon 12 multiply 5 upon 6. Cool. So let's solve. न्यूमरेटर में देखो माइनस 8 इंटू 5 है और 3 और 6 है. कुछ चाहो तो तुम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो, नहीं चाहो तो मत करो. तो अगर हम चाहें तो कर सकते हैं, नहीं चाहें तो नहीं करें. मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा तो हम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. तो न्यूमरेटर विल मल्टीप्लाइड विद न्यूमरेटर. माइनस 8 मल्टीप्लाइड विद 5 gives me minus 40 and in the denominator 3 will multiplied with 6 give me 18 plus minus 13 multiplied with 5 give me minus 65 and in the denominator 12 multiplied with 6 will give me 72. Things are clear beta. Now we will take the LCM of 18 and 72. On taking the LCM of 18 and 72, the LCM will come out to be 72. So we will divide 18 by 72. Sorry, 18 will divide 72. The quotient will be 4. So minus 40 में 4 multiply कर दिए. Simple सा बात है. Plus 72 will be divided with 72. It will remain as it is, minus 65. Now minus 40 multiplied with 4 will give me minus 160. Positive and negative is negative 65 whole upon 72. Now see here. Negative and negative will be added. It will become minus 225 whole upon 72. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Verified. Okay बेटा. चलिए तो fourth question and the last question. Let's solve the fourth question. Fourth question में minus 16 upon 7 multiplied with under bracket minus 8 upon 9 plus minus 7 upon 6 under bracket is equal to under bracket minus 16 upon 7. Just a minute. Minus 16 upon 7 multiplied with minus 8 upon 9 plus minus 16 upon 7 plus minus 16 upon 7 multiplied with minus 7 upon 6. Done beta. Now see left hand side. Let's try to find out the value of left hand side. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या था, माइनस 16 अपॉन 7 मल्टीप्लाइड अंदर ब्रैकेट माइनस 8 अपॉन 9 प्लस माइनस 7 अपॉन 6. फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. तो माइनस 16 अपॉन 7 इज एज इट इज. नाउ 9 इंटू और 6 का जो क्या बोलते हैं एलसीएम है वो 18 आया. 9 विल डिवाइड 18 तो क्वेश्चन इज 2. तो माइनस 8 मल्टीप्लाई 2 प्लस minus 7 will be as it is. 6 will divide 18 तो quotient is 3. Yes, minus 16 upon 7 multiply minus 16 minus 21 upon 18. Done. Now next, minus 16 upon 7 multiply minus 38 upon 18. So see here, if something is cutting, see here, 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. Okay, now see here, here is 8 and here is what? Actually this is wrong, this is not 38, 37 होगा, इन दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो 37 होगा. Now what we will do, we will multiply 8 and 37. 8 and 37 will be multiplied and this negative becomes positive. So 296 upon 7 multiply 9 is 63. So 296 upon 63 is the value of left hand side. This is not the answer. Now we will find out the value of right hand side. So let's find out the value of right hand side. What expression was given in the right hand side? Minus 16 upon 7 multiplied with minus 8 upon 9 whole upon whole under bracket plus minus 16 upon 7 multiply minus 7 upon 6. Now see, is anything eliminating here? Nothing is eliminating in this bracket, but some things are eliminating in this bracket, like 7 will divide 7, है ना, 6 2 3 जा 6 and 2 8 are 16. So negative multiply negative will become positive. 16 multiplied is 128 upon 7 multiply 9 is 63 plus 8 upon 3. Now 63 and 3 का LCM कितना आएगा? 63 ही आने वाला है. But 63 will divide 63, तो 128 will multiplied with 1 plus 3 will divide 63, तो quotient is 8. Quotient is 8. तो चलो 21, सॉरी क्वेश्चन 8 नहीं आएगा, क्वेश्चन 21 आएगा. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 8 में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 21. ठीक है, अब देखो 128 विल बी एज इट इज और 21 और 8 का कितना हो जाएगा? 168 होल अपॉन में 63, तो इसकी वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगी? 296 अपॉन 63. अब देखो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी तो उतना ही आया था ना, hence we can what we can write, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. This is what we have to do now. So this was the end of the 7th question. Thank you very much.